In this video, I will explain you whole numbers on the number line. First thing, when we draw a straight line and represent some numbers on this line, then it will be a number line. So here we are going to represent the whole numbers and their operations, means addition, subtraction, multiplication. So first, for the number line, we put a mark at the starting of the number line and write here 0, because whole number start from the 0. So 0. Then mark the equal distance with the help of your ruler in this way. Okay, and write the successes of 0, means in order 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to so on. Because this is the line, we can extend it up to the infinite. And this distance from 0 to 1 is known as 1 unit. In the same way, 1 to 2 is also 1 unit. That means gap between the two successive whole numbers is 1 unit. And you have to maintain the same gap, means equal distance. Now, if you want to show the addition of any two given whole numbers, for example, if you want to add the 4 plus 3, so first we reach at the first whole number given, which is 4. So 4. Then for addition we move towards right of the 4. And how much? 3. Suppose you are given 5, so we move 5. Suppose you are given 2, so we move 2. So here given is 3, so move 3. 1, 2, 3 towards right. Then you will reach at your answer 7. Correct, this is the answer, correct place. Okay, one more example for the subtraction. For the subtraction, suppose you want to represent 4 minus 1. So again start with the 0, put the equal marks at the equal distance. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. Then 0 to 1, 4. First number is 4. Again remember it, distance between the 0 to 1 is 1 unit, 1 to 2 is 1 unit, means equal distance, equal gap of 1 unit. Then first reach at the first number, whole number 4 here. Then for the subtraction, move towards the left of the first number, means 4. So minus 1. So we reach at 3. The result will be 3. One more, suppose we want to subtract 7 minus 3 and represent on the number line, through the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ... So first whole number is 7. So start from 7. Then subtract 3 means towards left. For subtractions, towards left, move towards left. How much? This number is given 3. So 1, 2, 3. We reach at 4. So our answer is 4. Now see for multiplication. Suppose you want to multiply 3 into 2. 3 2 times. Again draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to so on. You can draw up to the infinite also. So we need only up to the 6, 8, 6. So we can draw up to the 8 only. 3 2 times. So either you can do in this way 1, 2, 3. Just look for 1 time, then 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3. Or you can also do in this way 2 3 times. Means 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Again your result is same. This is for 2, 2, 2 and this is for 3, 3. But result is same. 6. Okay. Hope now you understand the representation of the whole number operations on the number line. Now I will give you the answers of the 8th question. Hope you have the book, otherwise you can observe here the book. Question number 8 I have given in homework, but I will explain you the answers. 0 is the smallest natural number. It is false. 0 is the smallest whole number, not natural number. Okay, smallest natural number is 1. Then B, 400 is the predecessor of 399. No, it is also false. 400 is the successor of the 399. Predecessor will be 398. Then C, 0 is the smallest whole number. True. Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number. D, 600 is the successor of 599. Yes, 600 is the successor of 599. True. Because 599 plus 1 equal to 600. Then all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, because in whole number series we include the all natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. False. 0 is the whole number but not natural number. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. It is also false. Predecessor of 10 is 9. Okay, 10 is the 2-digit number and minus 1 9 means predecessor of 10 is 9. This is 1-digit number. Single digit number हो सकता है. 1 is the smallest whole number. False. 0 is the smallest whole number. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. True. Natural numbers में 1 का कोई predecessor नहीं होता है. Whole numbers में है. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. This is also false. Whole number 1 has predecessor 0. The whole numbers 13 lie between 11 and 12. False है ना. ये तो 13 जो है 12 के बाद आएगा. 12 का सक्सेसर है तो बिटवीन कैसे हो सकता है. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. True. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. No. 99 का सक्सेसर आपको 100 मिलता है, वो 3 डिजिट है, तो it is not always true. Okay. The successor of 2-digit number can be 3-digit number. Therefore, this exercise completed. In next video, we will learn properties of whole numbers.